Hello everyone, welcome to How to Videos. You might be thinking, what's PowerToys? PowerToys is an app from Microsoft that gives you a set of tools that add to your productivity while using a Windows machine. Let's see what are these set of tools. You might see that I am able to highlight my mouse cursor. This is Find My Mouse. Basically, I can use the control key twice in order to find where is my mouse on the screen. Now, next is mouse highlighter. This tool helps you highlight your mouse clicks. To activate it, use Ctrl H and it will get activated. Now that I have hit that shortcut key, it will get activated. This was left click and this was right click. To deactivate, just press the shortcut key again. Next is Peek. This tool works with the File Explorer. To use it, just select a item and then press the shortcut key, which is Control Space in my case. To navigate, to move to the next item or previous item, you can use the arrow keys. This is how a text file looks like. A video. You can also gain access to details like file size and file when it was modified, last modified, and what size it takes. In case you have a file that has multiple lines, say I'm talking about text files, you will be able to scroll and see the contents. Hope you find this video helpful. Like, share, and subscribe for more videos. Thank you for watching.